Embarking on a fitness journey is exciting. It's a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. But making mistakes can slow you down and even lead to setbacks. Avoiding these mistakes can make your journey smoother and faster, allowing you to progress without unnecessary hurdles. You will see better results, and those results will come quicker. You will feel more motivated as each success fuels your drive to keep going. And you will stay injury-free, which is crucial for maintaining consistency in your workouts. Imagine reaching your fitness goals quicker, with fewer obstacles in your way. That can happen if you avoid common mistakes, making your path to fitness more straightforward. You will feel stronger and more confident, knowing you are doing things the right way. You will enjoy your workouts more, turning them into a rewarding part of your day. And you will stick to your routine longer, as the positive results keep you motivated. Avoiding mistakes means better performance, allowing you to push your limits safely. You will lift more weight. You will run faster. Your overall fitness will improve. You will feel more energetic each day, ready to tackle whatever comes your way. And this will keep you on track toward your goals, ensuring steady progress. Let's dive into the key mistakes to avoid so you can maximize your efforts. Let's make your fitness journey effective and enjoyable, filled with success and satisfaction. You deserve the best results, and they are within your reach. And you can achieve them by being mindful, dedicated, and informed. One common mistake is skipping warm-ups. Many people think they can jump straight into their workout. Warming up prepares your body by increasing blood flow and loosening muscles. It reduces the risk of injury by making your muscles more flexible and ready for action. It makes your workout more effective. Never skip it, no matter how short on time you are. Another mistake is not having a plan. A structured plan guides your progress. Without a plan, progress is slow and inconsistent. You need to know what exercises to do and in what order. You need to know how many reps and sets to perform. You need to track your progress to see improvements and stay motivated. Using improper form is a big mistake that many make. Bad form leads to injuries and can set you back for weeks. It makes exercises less effective and can cause long-term damage. Always ensure you use the correct form to maximize benefits. Ask for help if needed. Trainers are there to guide you. Lastly, overtraining is a frequent mistake. Your body needs rest to recover and grow. Too much exercise can lead to exhaustion and burnout. It can cause injuries. Rest is as important as workouts. Balance is key to a healthy fitness routine. Skipping warm-ups can cause strains. Warm-ups prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. Your muscles are not ready if you skip this crucial step. This can lead to injuries that could have been easily avoided. And injuries will set you back, keeping you from reaching your goals. They can keep you from working out for weeks, causing frustration and delay. Not having a plan means slow progress. You might feel lost and unsure of what to do next. You might miss important exercises, which can demotivate you and hinder your progress. And you might give up altogether, feeling like you can't achieve your fitness goals. Improper form can hurt you, leading to unnecessary pain and setbacks. It can strain your joints and muscles, causing long-term damage. It can lead to serious injuries that require medical attention and prolonged recovery. And you won't see the results you want. Always check your form. Overtraining can cause burnout and fatigue. Your body and mind need rest to recover and perform at their best. Without rest, you will feel tired. Your muscles won't recover, leading to poor performance. And you won't perform well, falling short of your potential and goals. Section 4. Practical solutions to overcome mistakes. Always warm up before workouts. Spend at least 10 minutes. Do light cardio. Stretch gently. This prepares your body and it prevents injuries. Create a workout plan, set clear goals, plan your exercises, track your progress. This keeps you focused and it speeds up your results. Learn the correct form. Watch videos. Ask trainers for help. Practice in front of a mirror. Proper form ensures safety, and it makes workouts effective. Schedule rest days. Listen to your body. Rest when you feel tired. Mix intense and light workouts. Rest helps muscles recover and it prevents burnout. Section 5. Tips for faster and lasting fitness results. Consistency is key. Stick to your plan. Don't skip workouts. Even on busy days, do a quick session. This builds a habit, and habits lead to results. Eat a balanced diet. Nutrition fuels your body. Eat enough protein. Include fruits and veggies. Drink plenty of water. A healthy diet supports your workouts. Mix up your routines, try new exercises, join a class. This keeps things interesting. It challenges your body in new ways, and it prevents boredom. Stay positive, celebrate small wins. Don't be too hard on yourself. Progress takes time. Enjoy the journey and keep pushing forward. Section 6. Motivation to stay consistent and patient. Fitness is a journey. It needs time and effort, but it is worth it. Stay consistent. Be patient. Results will come. Trust the process. Remember why you started. Visualize your goals. Celebrate every achievement. Your hard work will pay off. Keep moving forward. Surround yourself with support. Join a fitness community. Find a workout buddy. Share your journey and keep each other motivated. Believe in yourself. You can do this. Stay focused. Overcome every obstacle and enjoy the benefits of a fit and healthy life.